What must you do upon seeing this traffic sign? A. I may not perform a U-turn here. B. I may not turn left here. C. I am in a cul-de-sac and have to turn around. The correct answer is A. This sign prohibits U-turns at this location. What ends here? A. All previous zonal prohibitions. B. A controlled parking zone. C. A priority road. The correct answer is C. This sign indicates the end of a priority road section. What should you anticipate when you see this road sign? A. Vehicles ahead that may swerve out suddenly to the left. B. Vehicles ahead that may brake suddenly. C. Tree branches lying on the roadway. The correct answers are A, B, and C. This hazard warning sign alerts drivers to multiple risks, including swerving vehicles, sudden braking, and potential road debris. Who is allowed to enter a street sign posted like this? A. Residents. B. People visiting residents. C. Through traffic. The correct answers are A and B. This Anlieger frei sign permits access only for residents and their visitors, while prohibiting through traffic. What does the figure 26 indicate in this traffic sign? A. Autobahn exit number 26. B. The distance from the exit to Düsseldorf-Benrath. C. The A26. The correct answer is A. The number 26 identifies this as Autobahn exit 26. Which traffic sign refers to the actual mass? A. Sign 1. B. Sign 2. The correct answer is A. Sign 1 with 5.5 tons indicates the maximum permissible actual mass for vehicles. What applies with this traffic sign? A. I may only continue driving by taking a right turn. B. I may also continue driving by taking a left turn. C. I have to signal a right turn. The correct answers are A and C. This blue mandatory sign requires right turns only with proper signaling. What do you have to be aware of when you see this traffic sign combination? A. If following the priority road, I must signal a left turn. B. The direction of traffic to the left is prescribed. C. If continuing straight ahead, I must signal a right turn. The correct answer is A. This combination requires left turn signaling when following the priority road's bend. Which vehicles are allowed to park here? A. Vehicles with a permissible total mass of up to 2.8 tons. B. Motorcycles. C. Vehicles with a permissible total mass of more than 3.5 tons. The correct answers are A and B. This parking sign permits vehicles under 2.8 tons and motorcycles. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. A level crossing with flashing red light. B. A customs post. C. Traffic lights. The correct answer is C. This triangular warning sign alerts drivers to traffic lights ahead.